Okay, today we are going to look at some damage left by Hurricane Ian. It was about 2 years ago, and it was crazy on what it did to Southwest Florida. This here is a boat that's been sunk for a while. Again, this is about 2 years out. I'm going to insert some other photos and stills of what it looked like in the aftermath, but it's crazy that this is just still sitting around. So with the DJI, I love it. It was doing great. Got some good video here. And as I was panning around, checking stuff out, it looked like there was still some remnants of electronics on there, but as I zoomed in a little closer, I realized it wasn't. So then we came back, started checking out the surrounding, all the new docks. They look really good. That's what it looked like after. This is what it looks like now. Still, if you look to the right there, there's still another boat, partially sunk that has not been removed yet. It was a windy day. Sorry for the bouncing around. Getting better at it, though. And, yeah, so we checked out this boat for a bit. Some of the new dock, as you see. Right there is US 41. Here comes downtown Fort Myers. This was really pretty beat up in all of it. All these docks were gone. It was just a horrible scene. And right there is First Street. We're going to go take a little look in a little bit on how that did. And again, all the new docks looking really good. I mean, for 2 years out, they did a good job on really rebuilding this whole area. It's odd how they just built around that boat, or they just left it there. And you can see right next to it, they haven't finished that area of the dock. So now we're going to go check out a little bit of the old yacht club right here. And then I think we're going to check out the new Luminary right there to the left. That's the new Luminary Hotel. And we're going to take a little ride down First Street. And this, again, was all underwater. I'll insert a quick pic here. That's what it looked like during the hurricane. And now, after the hurricane. They did a really good job down there. They have art night, jazz night. A lot of things go on downtown Fort Myers. You ever get a chance, cruise on by. Beautiful shot of everything down there. Here we are looking straight down First towards the courthouse and all that stuff. So for a little bit, we're going to do some footage. We'll be just cruising around, checking out the surroundings, and again, seeing how it looks after Hurricane Ian. Can't believe it's been over 2 years, and still there's boats in the water. All right, well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell an enemy. So we're going to do a quick little zoom on this boat, and I'm going to be getting out. So leave any suggestions underneath, and like and subscribe.